You're sending LinkedIn messages, but no one's replying. Chances are your messages are getting ignored because they're not hitting the right notes. Today I'm breaking down how to prospect on LinkedIn and how to write LinkedIn DMs that actually work. And we're not just talking theory, I'll show you 3 real LinkedIn DMs and how they can be improved based on expert insights from Lara Acosta. If you don't know Lara, she's absolutely killing it on LinkedIn. She has over 250,000 followers and her posts go viral almost every time. She shares tons of tips on building your LinkedIn presence and receives loads of DMs daily. In this video, I'll share what she thinks makes an irresistible LinkedIn call message. Most people fail at LinkedIn prospecting because they send messages that are too long and overwhelming, focus on themselves, not the prospect, and missing a clear next step. Some time ago, our team met with Lara Acosta to discuss cold outreach messages. We analyzed real messages and narrowed down the key elements that make a LinkedIn DM irresistible. The 3 must-haves of a winning LinkedIn message. Number 1, the length. Let's start with message length. Take a look at this LinkedIn DM. On a social media platform where attention spans are super short, is this too much? Well, it depends on the industry. Lara broke it down perfectly.
Hi, name. Wonder if accurateness R&D may be relevant issue for your companies like A and B benefit for talk density. And okay, so again, I think it depends on the industry. Something I've noticed as a copywriter for a variety of industries is that what works in one industry doesn't work on the other one. So my style of writing works in the creative industry, but when it comes to professional services, they still really like long paragraphs. So for these DM, because it seems to be about research and development, this actually might be as straight to the point as it needed to be if it's got if in the blanks they're filling in the right details and it's a very specific type of name, whatever. So I actually think it's quite good.
What I would add here to help you decide whether your message is too long or too short is to read it out loud. If you don't lose interest after the first sentence and by the end you clearly know what to do next, it's a good length. Number 2, work on the first sentence. Let's look at another example focusing just on the first sentence.
It's microphone company, we provide, why are you telling me about you? That doesn't really matter. When you're introducing yourself as in hey, my name is, I don't know, I don't care, maybe I don't have time, maybe I'm on the go. It's more hey, this is your problem, here's my solution. That is most likely that first line already put me off and I probably won't read the rest. So yeah.
Exactly. If you start your DM like this, no one will read the rest. Why doesn't it work? Because it starts with the sender's name, which doesn't grab attention. There's no clear value or a hook, and it feels rather generic. So how to quickly fix it? Lead with value. Instead of introducing yourself first, start by addressing the prospect's problem. Bad example, hey, my name is name and I work at company. We help businesses optimize their processes. A better one, struggling to keep up with leads, I've helped industry teams cut response time by 50%. Number 3, unclear CTA. Now let's talk about the call to action. The truth is you need to have one at the end of your message, but how do you find the right one? This message uses a short and simple thoughts as its CTA. So let's see Lara's takes on that.
I like the pain point, but the thoughts bit is also very vague. I don't like it. I like a clear call to action. Give me something to do or respond. Everything else is perfect. Just could have ended up with a bang. If you want help with this, let's hop on a call. How is Wednesday tomorrow? That could have been a lot better, but everything else is fine. I think the hook could have been a little bit better, but overall, this is an 8 out of 10 for me.
Just make it easy for them to say yes. That means giving clear instructions on what you want them to do next. Here are a few quick CTAs examples you can use. Weak, thoughts, stronger, how about a quick chat? I'm free Wednesday, does it work? Or I'd love to hear your take. Do you have 5 minutes this week to chat? Let's recap what we just covered. In your LinkedIn DM, hook them with a strong first sentence, keep it short, personalized, and most importantly, focused on their needs and problems, and end with a clear next step. Start testing these LinkedIn DMs today and watch the replies coming in. And if you want more LinkedIn outreach strategies, make sure to subscribe to our channel. So, see you next one. Take care.